North Carolina is one of the top states in the country for solar energy. Solar energy causes no pollution. Through a chemical reaction, when the sun hits that panel, it creates electricity. And a solar farm is just many, many, many of those panels all wired together. We are in Mount Olive, North Carolina. This project was constructed in 2016 and went online in December, just 2 months ago. We are producing electricity in North Carolina for North Carolina consumption, or oftentimes in a town for the town's consumption. The community that's getting the power is also the community that gets the jobs and the other economic activity. So the way we identify properties starts with Google Earth. So we start by looking at Google Earth, mapping out first the grid. What are the power lines in an area we're looking? Where are the substations, etc.? Because we need to be near those. Once we've found where the grid is, then we look for properties of a certain size, whether it be 10 acres or 1,000 acres. Once we find that, then we see who owns them. And then we just send them a letter that says, we're interested in developing a solar farm in your area. Your land looks like it might be a good fit. Would you like to have a discussion about either leasing or selling your land? Hi, Mr. Roberts. This is Chris Killenberg from Community Energy. I'm calling to follow up. I get to travel through the state and see places in parts of the state that I've not seen before. It's a beautiful state. I've been in lots of southeastern states, and I still think North Carolina is the prettiest of them all. It's a complicated thing to put together solar projects, but at the end of the day, all your hard work is going towards something that was meaningful to me, which is the change of the energy supply in this country.